The Stratomast, an aircraft designed for beaming signals from the sky, could potentially make SpaceX's Starlink obsolete. This revolutionary finding could soon see satellites relegated to museums. The Stratomast design calls for an aircraft emitting signals from the sky, and it's claimed to be so powerful that it could make satellite networks like SpaceX's Starlink obsolete. The Stratomast project uses radar technology, emitting signals from high-altitude aircraft to potentially replace satellite networks. Like SpaceX Starlink, this innovative method is set to rewrite our understanding of communication in space. The Stratomast project uses radar technology to emit signals from high altitudes. This potential aircraft could beam signals from the air, potentially making satellite networks like SpaceX's Starlink obsolete. The Stratomast project can emit signals from high altitudes over vast distances, up to 1,000 kilometers. This means it could potentially replace satellite networks like SpaceX's Starlink for ground-to-space communication. The Stratomast could potentially beam signals from high altitudes over vast distances, challenging satellite networks like SpaceX's Starlink. By offering an alternative method for communication, this discovery is a game-changer in our approach to space technology. The Stratomast could revolutionize communication by potentially replacing satellites like SpaceX's Starlink. Scientists are eager to study its capabilities, such as signal strength and distance coverage. Will it outperform satellites in space? Stay tuned for more updates. The Stratomast could potentially broadcast signals from the air, making satellite networks like SpaceX's Starlink redundant. This revolutionary aircraft might rewrite the rules of interstellar communication.
If you want more real space discoveries, explained clearly and without hype, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the next breakthrough.